Network resources refer to internet, extranet, internet, all of these. Telecommunication network comprises of following network device: router, hubs, repeater, all of these. So all of these. The network support include support from the following resources: people resources, hardware resources, software resources, all of the above. So all of the above. Next, in dash, at least one computer acts as a server. Peer-to-peer network, client server network, both 1 and 2, none of the above. The framework of storage and processing of data is called as internal environment and operating environment, external environment, none of the above. So external environment. Next question, database is implemented using DMBS, DDMS, DVMR, DBMS. तो DBMS है. Which of the following accounting software is appropriate for a small business organization having only one user and single office location? Ready to use, customized, tailored, or none of the above? So ready to use. Next question, a sequence of action taken to transform the data into decision useful information is called data collection, data manipulation, data processing, data validation. So data manipulation. Next question, the user oriented program designed is developed for performing certain specific tasks are called application software, system software, customized software, connectivity software. So application software. Language syntax is checked by which software? Connectivity software, system software, utility programs, language processor. तो आंसर है language processor. Next question है, the people who write programs to implement the data processing system design are humanware, language processor, program translators. So humanware. Dash is the brain of the computer: CLU, CPU, CPL, CUP. So CPU. Which of the following is an important requirement of an accounting report? Timeliness, relevance, completeness, all of the above. Answer है all of the above. Which of the following statement is correct? The output devices link the computer with the user. Secondary storage media is used for storing data meant for the use in future. MS Access is an example of spreadsheet software. Secondary storage media is also known as internal memory. तो फोर्थ वाला करेक्ट ऑप्शन है. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट इज करेक्ट? इन रियल टाइम ट्रांजेक्शन प्रोसेसिंग एनी एरर दैट माइट अराइज ड्यूरिंग द प्रोसेस इज रेक्टिफाइड इमीडिएटली. In real time processing, the transaction that might occur are processed immediately. The output interfaces convert the binary code produced by the computer into human readable form. Marketing information systems are used to evaluate the performances of current products and the prospects of proposed products. तो ये है, the output interfaces convert the binary code produced by the computer into human readable form. ये वाला ऑप्शन हमारा करेक्ट है.